All right, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, responding fire. We're talking about a line mesoscale convective system moving in from the west. This is going to be in our area. This is going to affect us in the next hour and a half time frame here. And let me explain to you what we have here. We have this line. It's going to start bowing. This is the line right here. You see Wytheville, near Bland, near Princeton, Bluefield. What you see there is you also have this other side. Look at this. You have things like near Bluefield. That's a minor rotation. You could have some minor rotation here. These quasi-linear convective systems do spin up tornadoes. We're going to have to watch that very closely as we continue on in the next couple of hours. So you look where it's located now. I'll zoom out just a tidbit. I'm trying to zoom out so I can give you an idea where this is going. So we're going to take Princeton, and we're going to draw directly there. We're going to take the southern end here, comes across here, so anywhere in here, and this is going to be the zone that we're going to have the worst storms, because this probably stopped growing pretty strong. Like I said, there's these little greens mixed in with reds, which we have to watch out for. Like I said, moving east, southeast, east, northeast, this would come right over Roanoke eventually. And the other thing is we have a little bit of a southeasterly wind coming on here. So when it breaks and hits the mountains, that could be another issue. As soon as we hit the Roanoke Valley, that could be an issue. We also have some storms up here near Covington. But this line will be here probably the next hour and a half or so. This is going to be the wind maker. This is going to be... So we got to watch this storms complex very carefully. Especially when it's, like I said, when it starts getting these areas such as near Princeton or near Bluefield, a little further south near Bland and Wytheville. These are little spins on the line. You got one starting to try to develop right there. These are little things you have to watch as it moves east, where I'm sure there's going to be warnings placed on these, and severe thunderstorm warnings and potentially some possible tornado warnings on this. So we got to be very careful over the next few hours, because here's Rocky Mount, here's Franklin County, here's Bedford County, here's Roanoke County. And this isn't going to be the only time we're going to see. It's going to zoom out a little bit further. Looks like we might have a secondary tunnel line trying to form behind it. Back here, we'll see what happens. But this initial kick right here is going to run to a lot of heavy dew points and high dew points and still have sunshine. So that makes this area very vulnerable for the potential severe weather as this line moves closer to the area. This is moving in the east-northeast fashion. Like I said, these are moving this way. So we have that problem in that situation going on. So let me show you what we're going to look at now. Let me pull this over. For the area of, we're under severe thunderstorm watch till 1 o'clock now also. Let you tell you that. Now we'll take a look at the computer model. And as you see here, here's the explosion of storms occur. This will be right around 7:30, 8 o'clock, and it's right now 6:58. So this is pretty accurate what's going to happen. I mean, this is very accurate. So this is an issue that we foresee this evening, like I said, and then move through. And finally, we'll get some cooler, drier air move in before we get hot again for the rest of the week ahead. So once again, severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. It includes Rocky Mount, includes Franklin County, Rocky Mount, Roanoke County, Montgomery County, Bedford County, Amherst, Lynchburg, are all on the watch till 1 a.m. So prepare for damaging winds, hail, isolated tornadoes, all possible as the storm complex moves in. So be careful. We'll keep an eye on it for you. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, and Responding Fire.